So we're doing manual here and it's on high, and I do believe it's preheating. So this should pop out, and I think it's done that now, but I had to press down the, you see it's a bit, I don't know if it's tight. See, I'm hoping that it will start count down here. It is coming hot air from here. So now it's sealing. But I was hoping to see 5 minutes here, but I don't know. Yeah, so this now. So this is the sealing position. And it seems to be still heating high. No, it's turned off. Okay, so it's ready now. You never get any timer, you never get any minutes here, so it's turned off now, but you can't see it here. Strange. So the black beans have been soaked overnight, and I've rinsed them a couple of times and trying to get the lectins out. So I pre-soaked them overnight and rinsed them a lot. Then I'm gonna put them inside here, this pressure cooker. So I'm adding the black beans. Voila. And then I'm gonna, yeah, it's a bit much water. Gonna take out some water. No, it's okay. So I'm gonna add some olive oil here, olivolja as we say here. It's a tad to get its lot of anti-nutrients that comes up, makes it a hassle to clean it. So here we have them. I'm gonna add just a tad bit more water, about an inch above the beans, something like that. And let's go. So I'm making sure that it is in closed like this, and I put it where the arrows are, and then we started. It's pretty simple. You have all the numbers for which one you're gonna use, and I'm gonna use this, the 04 steam. So you press menu, and then you sort of switch to number 4 steam, and then it starts automatically. When it stops blinking, it starts. Now, yep. So come back in a couple of minutes. So let's take the time. See how long it takes. So next step is watching this one pop out. So it just popped out, and the time, you can see. So time now 16-17 minutes, and it's starting to calm down, so I guess it thinks it's ready, but that's too fast for me. I want them boiled longer, so I'm gonna do it manual, I think. There's the pressure relieving, so I guess it's done. So the pressure, I believe, is already out. Yes. So I guess I just have to turn it off. It doesn't do it itself. It just shows you what the program has been done, even though it's ready. Otherwise, if I loosen the lid now, I can do it. You probably get an error message. Yeah, this is the lid error. Just turn it off. So how does it look? Boily, 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 steamy, steamy, steamy. So I'm just gonna take these and try them out, but I believe they seem a bit hard to me. So it should be done in at least 30 minutes, I think. I'm gonna do it manually now. So let's give it another try. Turn this one here. And let's do it manual. Manual cooking time. Yeah, we can take 35. And now it should start. Oh, got some easy. Let's redo it. So it starts 35 minutes, something like that. Let's turn on the timer, see if it's correct. So it seems to be ready already. Why not? It's not 35 minutes. It's just 10 minutes. I don't get this machine. So I don't know, this isn't working for me. It's turning off all the time, just doing 5 minutes or so. So I guess there's some protection on it that is enabled and turns it off. I don't know. Having a hard time getting it to work right now. Frustrating. This time I'm running the beans. I think it's the third time or fourth time that I'm restarting it, and it's doing it like building up pressure for 5 minutes or something, and then it turns off when it's got the pressure. So finally it has changed to 40. So this time it might work. Still have pressure here. Probably was too hot before. See how it goes this time. Okay, so we're finally ready 40 minutes later. Let's see what happens. The valves are still open, or popped up. Yeah, what should I do now? Keep warm. So the keep warm is lit, but that's about it. So I guess I'm gonna turn it off. I don't need it to be warm. And let's see if... Oh shit! It's a lot of pressure in there. Ooh la 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 la. Let's do it by itself. I can't wait. So it seems to be working after all. Just need the right program. The 9 for the beans. Pressure is almost out. Let's see if that pops down. Yes. Should be safe to open it now. So now they should be ready, right? This is how the valve looks on the other side, on the side. Yeah, looks pretty ready, right? Yeah, So they're pretty soft. I think you can say they're ready. Okay, so that's about it. Got it working for at last. So how messy did it become? Not too bad. It's pretty easy to clean. I store the beans in some smaller containers and I take them sometimes. So a little bit of beans, I think you live longer, right? So this I just filled with water. It's very easy, this Teflon coating. Seems to be sticking right now at least. And this is how it looks inside. This one is pushed down when you put the kettle on it. So it feels like something's there.